Alrighty guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today in this episode we're going to go and pick up a new car. Picking up this little project car for the channel. I love it, I've always wanted one. Little hatchback, there's a wee teaser. I'm sure you probably already know if you've seen it on Instagram or wherever. But yeah, we've loaded up the trailer. Well, if not loaded it up, we've connected it up. And yeah, we're going to take a drive down to South Edinburgh to pick up a new car.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are. This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle, where the rain is warm and the birds fly. No words to describe your savage life. Ooh, let's give it a go, like a puppet show.
Check the neck of this thing out, man. So I've done, how many miles have we done now? We've done 44 miles, 44.9, so 45 miles, average 60 mile an hour, and look at that mile per gallon, 29 mile a gallon! What the fuck, man? It's like sick on fuel. Here we are, sorted. This is Alex, my man. So yeah guys, come and have a wee look and see the new project.
Nah, but it's still like being held on.
No bother, man.
So it's just basically for it to run, you just need the box and
Sorted. Yeah. Oh yes. I love it how it's got all the interior, by the way.
Oh, that's what I meant by the interior. It's just perfect.
Yeah.
Wee rising sun.
Oh aye. Oh yes. First ever Honda. Fucking it's barely fit the wee thing.
As easy as that.
Aye, like there's goodness to it, like even for lowered cars. Yes, there we go. She's on the trailer. Yes guys, so there we have it. Got myself an EK. Woo! Now, she's not in the best condition, but this is exactly why we buy these cars, to do them up and enjoy them. And I've wanted one of these cars for a long time. The colour especially is a proper rare colour. I think it's Tahoma or Tahangi green or some shit like that. Pearlescent, lovely colour. I cannot wait to get to it. A bit nervous about spraying and colour matching, but I'm sure we'll get there. Yeah, I got myself a hatch. Yes! But the video doesn't stop there, because we're now going to old Daniel Glancy and Phil to go and pick up another engine, and it's not for this, and it is K-Series. It's a K24 engine for the RX7. So there's another little surprise for you. Yeah, so just to tell you boys what's happening with this K-Series of mine. I have a K20 on just now, mated to that DCT gearbox. What's actually happening is the gearbox ECU doesn't like revving past 8,410 or whatever it is for any length of time, and my limiter was at 8.6. So basically the gearbox would just open its clutches. It didn't like the high RPM. So my goals of 700-800 horsepower need to be met, and they would make them on a K20 no problem at all. However, the box won't rev to that sort of RPM, so the only way to go for it is go K24. So the K24 engine is a K24 A3 from a Honda Accord. I will be buying full force internals for it. I'll be doing the Chris Boy block fill, and yeah, we'll be building just a little piece of an engine, just a piston rod motor, and yeah, we'll send it on the same turbo. We'll see what we make. It'll be interesting to see the difference in graphs, the usual shit. Yeah, so, and we should shoot for some big numbers with that engine. So yeah, proper happy. This one here though, now I can speak about the plans for this. So this engine is a 1.4 engine. It's the D14 engine, and although they are strong and they are fine, I won't be boosting this one. The plan will be to keep it single jingle, single cam, and go for a D16 engine. Then I'll be looking at going for Vitara pistons and some Max Peen rods, just cheap nasty shit, and some eBay head studs. Bolt the thing together, maybe chuck on a wee Max ECU Mini or a Speedwino or something like that, and send it, see what we'll make at 30 psi.
And that was part of the deal, an engine lift and an engine stand, but the engine stand long gone.
Here, you're moving up in the world, like.
Oh mate, you should see us, mate. I'm not building one, mate, but it's the wrong time of year to be fucking building a garage.
True that, brother, true that. That road near your house now, the slip road off towards Musselburgh, is that the one?
Nah, yeah. But bunny hop it, mate. Crazy, off road.
You winning anything?
Nah, I'm all good, mate. I just had lunch like an hour ago.
Sweet. Right, Dan, I'll catch you soon, buddy.
No bother, mate. I'll see you when you're here.
Cheers, man. Bye. Holy shit, boys. This one's going to be a challenge with the trailer, that's for sure. This is a tight McDonald's. We're just going to go for it though, because I need myself some chicken nuggets. Some chicken nuggets and a burger. We're going to clip the curb. We'll clip the curb a wee bit there. It's alright though, we're alright, we're good. We're good. Yes! Moving the way, 3, I'm starving! That awkward moment when they tell you to go and park up and they don't realise you've got a trailer on the back. Oh you fucker, man. That always cracks me up, like.
Well, you set me a photo of, mate.
It's a fucking beast!
It's got fucking bonnet razors, mate.
Bonnet razors, 10 horsepower right there.
Oh, mate.
You like it, Dan?
Nah, mate, that's a piece of shit.
It's fucking awesome, man. Can't wait. All the ticks, mate. All the ticks. Yeah. Yeah? Oh yeah. K24, baby. Eh? Nothing but the best.
Tire, mate.
Oh, that's a good tyre, like.
I'll get to its MOT on that peep as well.
How much you want for it?
40 quid, mate.
Huh? Sort me out, like, sort me out.
A good gin too, right?
All that lows. Okay, there we go. Easy. Yeah, that's sunset.
Close next.
really need a ground check. Funny niggas gas.
Oh, we are getting there. So obviously everything's still intact. Trailer handled awesome the day, so yeah, happy with that. I just love this colour. There's loads of little dents like this that I'll take out. I'll probably try, maybe just heat up a glue stick with blowtorch, put it on, pull it out. This is where I need to do the repair panel, because it's very common for that to go there. Yeah, sick. Obviously you see inside, proper clean, so yeah, buzzing about that. And obviously the Rangy done well too. Yeah, so nearly back at the house now. I've just come to Chutney's in Methven. This is where we like to eat our Indians. Takeaways, really good. So I have to go and pick up the missus chicken dough piazza or something along that lines, for some food, to get something to eat, because she never had McDonald's. I did, because I'm a fatty. But yeah, here guys, thank you very much for coming along. I'm excited to see what happens with this little EK, and excited to take apart the K24 engine as well. You'll see that in our next video probably. And yeah, as per usual guys, stay safe. Thank you very much for all the comments. Look after yourself, health is wealth, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.